All right, so let's give a response to this question. So someone was asking, how can you know in a situation whereby your period days or your cycle days does not come the same every month? How do you know when you ovulate? My darling, as a woman, you should know how to calculate your ovulation. In fact, thank God for the new millennium that we are right now. There are so many apps out there that you can go and download to use in helping you to calculate your ovulation. The most important thing is for you to know your day cycle. The day cycle is everything. One thing that the app that you download will ask you is, what is your day cycle? And a lot of people don't know, they just go and click average day cycle. If you want to calculate your day cycle, you have to know the dates that your period come last month and the dates that your period come this month. Count it one after the other till, from the first month to the last month to the second month, how many days it be. Then you get your day cycle. Now, having said that about the day cycle, your day cycle is also called your cycle length. If you don't have an app to calculate your ovulation, you can likewise use this. This illustration here is like a little bit of calculation for every woman to understand. As you can see, we have from 21 day cycle to 38 day cycle. So that means that if your period does not come after 1 month, in a month we have 30 days. Some months are 30 days, some months are 31 days. So if your period does not come after 31 days, 1 full month, do not get bothered because you're still not late. A woman day cycle can last for 38 days cycle. So your period can come after 38 days. It doesn't mean that you have a health issue. Are you getting me? So how do you calculate this ovulation? If you have 21 day cycle, which is the one upper there, if you should have 21 day cycle, then what you have to do is start testing yourself with ovulation strip at 4 days after your period. Let's take, for example, your period finished today. You see the last drop of blood today. Count 4 days after, which is you have to start from tomorrow. Count 4 days and start testing yourself with ovulation strip. I'm going to show you guys what ovulation strip look like on my second part 2 of this video, because it seems like this little time we have is not enough. Start testing yourself with ovulation strip if you should have 21 days cycle. Start testing yourself 4 days after your period. If you have 22 days cycle, start testing yourself 5 days after your period. And make sure you test for 3 to 5 days. So that means that if you are using your ovulation strip, you need to test for 3 to 5 days. Like I said, if you have 21 days cycle, you start testing 4 days after your period finish. If your period finished today, from tomorrow, you start counting the 4 days. If you have 22 days cycle, you start testing for 5 days. If you have 23 days cycle, you start testing for 6 days. If you have 24 days cycle, you start testing for 7 days, so on and so forth until you get to 38 days cycle. Now, I want to strain a little bit on this 38 days cycle. Why? Because like I said on my previous video, a lot of women, it would take them more than 1 month, let's say 1 month and 1 week before they would see their period. Now, if you should have this kind of longer day cycle, understand that before you start testing, that will be 21 days after your period might have finished. 21 days from the following day where your period stopped. Take, for example, your period stopped today. Tomorrow, you start counting for 21 days. And then when you get to that 21 days, you start testing with ovulation strip. On my next video, I'm going to be showing you what ovulation strip look like and how you can use them. You start testing with the ovulation strip and you have to test for 3 to 5 days. Maximum, do them 5 days. When you want to test, make sure you test in the morning and in the evening. Why do I say so? A lot of people would not ovulate in the morning and would ovulate in the evening. Understand that your ovulation only lasts for few hours. It's not up to 24 hours. It's not even up to 12 hours. Few hours means that if you go and ovulate in the night or early in the morning, and meanwhile your husband is going to work, and you did not meet him, this thing don't pass you a cargo be that. You understanding me? If you ovulate early in the morning by 6 a.m. and your husband is that type that don't meet you in the morning, you go and you think by the time he come back in the evening, then you guys will meet. My sister, you don't miss him. This is why we say it's important for you to test your ovulation with ovulation strip.